In this video, we're building a simple melody generator like this one. For demonstration purposes, I will be building the circuit on a breadboard. Start by connecting the center pin of the switch to the VCC. Connect one of the free ends of the switch to a 220 ohm resistor. Connect the positive end of the 1 microfarad electrolytic capacitor to the free end of the 220 ohm and the negative end to the ground. Next, place the UM66 IC and connect pin 2 to 1 microfarad and 220 ohm node. Connect pin 1 of UM66 IC to the ground. Connect pin 3 of UM66 IC to a 470 ohm resistor. Connect the free end of the 470 ohm resistor to pin 2 of the BC547 transistor. Connect pin 3 of the BC547 to the ground. Now connect one of the pins of the 0.25 watt speaker to pin 1 of the BC547 and the other pin of the speaker to VCC. After finishing the circuit, connect a 3 volt power source to the circuit. Here's the complete circuit on a PCB board. And here's the final result of the circuit. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more DIY projects.